In this segment of this video, we are going to talk business use of OneDrive. When it comes to business, businesses are facing mainly three problems: department-wise file structure, group and team-wise sharing, and security. So Microsoft designed in a way that no matter that how many departments you have, you can create department group. For example, you can go here in admin, and here you can see teams and group. So there you can create your marketing group, there you can create your sales group, there you can create your whatever team members are in that particular team, you can create a group for those team members. And after that you will go, like I have multiple groups, you can see STW employee, STW automation, STW admin, STW customer. So then you can go in OneDrive and you can open a particular folder and go on sharing, share, and you can manage access, like who can see. So you can type STW and you can see whatever group you want to add here, you can add, and only that group will access this particular folder. So this is how you can create folder structure based on your requirement. Like you can create marketing folder, you can create sales folder, and you can create your HR folder, and then you can apply a particular group on a particular folder. So only those people can check that folders. So this is how you can create folder structure based on your department. You can give access to a particular group who can edit, who can view, and you can also secure it using Microsoft Security. So all these problems are managed by OneDrive.